Hey, what's going on, guys? In this episode, Chad Williams Fixes All, we're going to be placing the negative battery cable on this 2012 Chevy Cruze. Let's get to it. So you might be wondering why you might need to replace your negative battery cable on your Cruze or any other GM vehicle with this issue. But let me go ahead and show you the footage of what's happening in my car. Currently, what's happening is my radio keeps turning off and on. I'm having the Stabilitrak and traction control dash indicators coming on, and it's just been acting very strange. It's been quite annoying too with the radio going on and off because I just want to listen to some music or just anything else, see the time. But yeah, the main culprit on all this is the negative battery cable. So we're gonna go ahead and replace this. It's fairly simple, and once we replace it, we should have no more issues anymore. I know a lot of you have a lot of issues with the Stabilitrak and the traction control more than what I'm having. I'm just having it every once in a while, but some people are really having that issue a lot. So let's go ahead and get to it. So the only tools you need for this job is a flat blade screwdriver, 10mm socket with ratchet, and this is the negative battery cable. It's AC Delco, genuine GM parts, 227-54271. I will have a link down in the description for this, where I bought it off Amazon. Very good price. I think it was around 20 bucks. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started on replacing this. So the first thing I want to do is remove this small cable right here. This is going to be a little bit harder if you take it off second. So let's just go ahead and remove this one right now. Next, we'll go ahead and remove this one. You just have to loosen this one up. And then lay it off to the side. Now the next thing you want to do is take off this little isolator. It looks like it's also something that holds it from wiggling around, but it also has a sensor right here. So down here, there on the right side of it, there is a clip down there. I'll see if I can get the light shining. But what you want to do is you just want to put your flat blade screwdriver down in here and pull out towards the driver's side of the vehicle, and then pull up on this isolator, and it should pop up. So that will come out of there just like so. And then I'm just going to go and remove this clip here real quick. Just be real simple. I remove that just by pushing down, and now that isolator is just hanging out, and it will let me get to the bolt on this side that holds in the actual ground cable. Next, if we follow this ground cable, we're going to come down to this bolt right here. This bolt has a nut on it that retains the ground cable. Now you just want to go ahead and take that off. It has a 10mm. There we go. It was the third one down. So you have 1, 2, then the third one down. With that off, you can then go ahead and you'll have two connectors on there. I think one goes to the, it's like a ground strap, either to like the engine or something like that, and then the other one is the cable that we're replacing. So it looks like that. So we want to then take off this isolator here and set that off to the side. So with our new ground cable, the first thing I want to do is throw on the isolator. So just like how they had it on, just slide it up over top, and then kind of snake it downwards towards the ground first, same way they had it from the factory. So I'm just going to slide it onto that bolt first, snake it down, and then so I don't forget, I'm going to go ahead and slide on that other ground strap right there. And then I'm going to put the bolt on. All right, with that nut started, I'm going to go ahead and tighten it down. So it should look something like that right there. The new cable snaked down by there. So we'll go ahead and finish this up. So next we'll go ahead and take the electrical harness and plug this in. And then the same way that this had it before, is going to slide it right down into that spot and snap in. And then we'll go ahead and put this back on to the negative side. and tighten down this bolt. Nice and tight. And then I'm noticing that this actually has a female threaded part here, but mine had a stud from the factory. You can see that right there. So I'm gonna have to find a bolt to put in there to tighten that down. That's kind of a bummer that that's like that, because it seems like it shouldn't be. So I'm gonna go ahead and find a bolt to tighten this down with, and we'll attach this cable back. All right, I went ahead and found a bolt, and I got it started. Let's tighten this down here. There we go. It's nice and tight. That's nice and tight. This is clipped in, harness is in, and the bolt is on nice and tight. So only thing left to do is make sure it still starts up. And there we go. That job is all done. So if you could, make sure to hit a like on the video, subscribe to my channel, and also check out my other videos. I got a lot out there for my Chevy Cruze and everything like that. But yeah, hopefully this helped you out, and I'll catch you guys next time.